Welcome everyone to another edition of Easy Projects tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at approval request. Here we have a project that Kate is working on. Kate would like to submit a menu design for approval, and we're going to go ahead and select from the message board, choose the option to attach a file. We're going to select our image to attach. Now the attachments could either be a document or an image for approval. In this case it's just an image. Kevin, please approve. And we're going to go ahead and select our approver. In this case, it's going to be Kevin. Save. And we're going to go ahead and post that message. We're going to switch over to Kevin's login. And here we see Kevin has now been notified through the approval request built-in notifications. I'm going to select that, and here we see the notification and a message under the In Progress Approval tab that there is a message that requires approval. We're going to go ahead and click on that message, and we're going to see that through the message board we have an image that Kate has submitted, and the image looks good. We're going to go ahead and click on Approve. When we switch back now to Kate's login, you will see that Kate, under the Approval Request tab, for an approval that's currently still under progress, has now received the go-ahead, which is represented by the green dot from her approver. In this case it was Kevin, and she can now proceed with the following tasks, maybe to follow it up with a client. History is historical approval requests that she has submitted in the past. All of that information is tracked. If there was an approval request that was not submitted, you'll see the indication here that the red dot is a representation that this was actually rejected. Approval requests that are currently in progress or pending will appear under the In Progress tab. One important piece of information to keep in mind: when you are submitting an approval request for a specific task, there can only be one request that is going to be submitted at a time. If you happen to submit two consecutive, the previous one will be cancelled and the second one will trump the approval process. For these and other videos, we invite you to submit your suggestions to success@easyprojects.net, and look forward to responding to those. Thank you.